Today's activity is to sit together and recite the Qur'an. How beautiful would it be if the entire family is sitting together in a place with their Qur'ans open and all reciting Qur'an aloud, and their voices are in sync, singing the praises of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the walls of the house are reverberating with the praise of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and with His beautiful speech. So today's activity, sit together, recite the Qur'an. And as parents, you are setting a great example for your children. When you tell them read Qur'an, that's one thing. But what's more effective is when you sit with them, you recite with them. And inshallah, in this way, you can develop a habit that daily in Ramadan, take up some time where all of you will sit together, perhaps after Asr or whenever everybody is home, and you will all sit and recite Qur'an for a dedicated amount of time. And at that time, no distractions, no talking, everybody is focused on the Book of Allah. So this is the activity for today. Do it and reap the benefits, inshallah.